Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Vivitar Cam. It's a security cam. It could be a body cam, life cam, action cam, because it's small. And since it's small, they tell you can basically do whatever you want with it. That's basically what they're writing here on the front. Do whatever you want. So let's get to it. Let's give it a little snip. Open it up. And here we have pretty cool layout over here. It's actually a magnet. Open it up in the flap. It says everything it comes with: a magnetic stand, a gooseneck charging cable, a charging cable. So maybe that comes with two, or maybe it comes with two, and a body cam metal plate. Cool. Then over here it tells you the features. It has Wi-Fi control. Has magnetic mount, night vision, motion detection, and a wide angle. Whoa. Alright, let's start unboxing it. This clear plastic thing over here. I have no idea what I'm doing. Just gonna try to ripping it out. Nope, that doesn't look right. This is a failure unboxing. The show must go on. Slide it out of its case and check it out. Okay, so on the back there's the manual, it looks like. Starter guide, quick start guide, as opposed to the lengthy start guide. Thank you. Let's take out the camera. The actual camera is quite cool. It fits in the palm of your hand. There's a place for your memory card over here. It's going to be a micro SD card, I presume. Then there's an off and on button right here, and a mode button, and it comes with a protective film over here. So I'll peel that off later. That's a big highlight in getting new things. It has the Vivitar logo over here, so you don't forget whose camera you're using. I'm not quite sure what all these holes are. It might be for a microphone, it might be for sound. I don't know, I guess I should have looked into this before I did the unboxing. But next we have the charging cord. I'll save this for later. And it's pretty long. It's a pretty long cord we got here. This thing is longer than my cell phone charger. Next up, we have this stand. Peel this sticker off over here. This is a magnet. Looks pretty easy. Simple enough. Next we have the gooseneck charging cable, as they call it. And here's the gooseneck in action. Gives quite the crack when you turn it, but I guess that's just the initial crack. That about wraps it up for this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time.